Hello, nandito kami ngayon sa Hervey Bay.
As you see.
Pupunta kami dito sa jetty. Maganda ang Hervey Bay. O, tingnan mo, oh. It's high tide. Yeah, because yesterday we saw it low tide. We're here. Fraser Island. Where is Fraser Island? Oh, that's Fraser Island there. Kung saan yung may mga dingo. Not that one, Han? Not that one?
No, that's not. That's the bird.
Come here, Han. Oh, merong ano ditong sasakyan, oh. Oh, darling, you need to talk.
This is the beautiful Harvey Day on a Tuesday morning, sunshine. Fraser Island in the distance, Curran Heads, the opposite extreme,
Byron Heads there?
straight ahead down there. Take a quick walk out here on this nice looking wooden bridge. I'm pretty sure it'll hold us.
Okay, let's go. So, hindi pa rin pala siya high tide, sabi ni Lloyd. So, kahapon hanggang doon yung lupa. Yan ang uniqueness ng Hervey Bay. Kaya tinan mo yung mga bangka nasa malayo. Naka-anchor. Just enjoying our day here in Hervey Bay. Tuesday morning. It's a beautiful day. Last month of winter. August. Yay. Look at the water. It's sparkling.
No diving here. It's
No diving.
about 2 feet deep.
That's a caravan place there. Ang ganda ng lugar nila, ha. Nasa tabing dagat. They can hear the water. We're going back. We're going back now to the car. So we enjoy the day.
No diving.
We drove a little bit further at meron pa ditong isang jetty. Pinakamahaba siya. Mahaba. I think this is, you think this is a 1 kilometer jetty?
Not quite that far.
Okay. So there's an island there, sandbar. So may mga naglalakad. So ganyan kahaba ang jetty. Yan, hanggang doon. Hervey Bay is known for whale.
Right up there.
Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh, may mga island siya. Yan ang ang uniqueness ng Hervey Bay. Ayan, hindi talaga siya totally water.
Okay, it was originally 1.1.
So this jetty is 1 point.
Was 1.124, and
Also dati pala ang haba ng jetty na ito is 1.1 kilometers or 1. Pero since na hindi na masyadong ginagamit, ni-reduce na lang nila sa 880. At least na-save nila yung jetty, di ba? Ang ganda ng history dito. Rangan, it's Rangan Pier. So 100 years old na pala ito last 2017. So yung ginamit nilang kahoy talagang 100-year-old. Matibay talaga siya. Hindi na namin lalakarin kasi mainit na, nakakapagod. So dito na lang kami, hindi na namin lalakarin.
right there,